Today I will show you how you can add EXIF camera settings to your photos and videos, reels or shorts, simple and fast in Final Cut Pro. So yeah, to make it as easy as possible to add EXIF camera settings to all kind of photos and videos, I decided to create a plugin template that I can use to add this information way faster. So let me show you how you can use it as well. So here we are in Final Cut, and first we need to decide if we want to create a vertical reel or if we want to create a basic horizontal video. Let's say we want to create a reel or short, so in this case we have a vertical timeline like this one here, and now it's time to load our plugin. To do that, just download the plugin from my shop and drag and drop this plugin folder right here into your Final Cut Pro titles folder. In most cases it's located in the movie section, and here you can find the folder motion templates. So click on that and you should find your titles folder. Again, just drag and drop the plugin folder into this folder and it should appear now in Final Cut after a quick restart. Now back in Final Cut, just head over to the Titles tab, and here you can find the EXIF Camera Settings plugin. And yes, you can find two versions. First the horizontal version for basic videos, and of course the vertical version as well for shorts and reels. The only difference is the format, so vertical or horizontal, but the complete workflow won't change here. For this tutorial we definitely want to create a reel, so let's drag and drop the vertical option into our timeline. First we need to add our image or video that we want to use. In this case let's use the photo. So click on the drop zone right here, select the image in your media folder and click on apply. And now you can adjust all kind of settings. First you can add a simple animation for our image, and you can also adjust the position, rotation and scale of it to make it fit. And next it's time to adjust the EXIF data, and I've added multiple options that you can use for each individual layer. First of course the shutter speed, second the aperture, third on our list is the ISO, next the focal length, and you can also add presets or LUT names, and you can mention the equipment that you've used as well. So first let's start with the shutter speed. To adjust the shutter speed you can easily add it into this text field right here. In this case I've used 4 seconds to take this image, so I will add it right here, and now it will appear on our image. Of course you can also adjust everything. For example, you can change the font, size, rotation, you can also add or remove the logo or the text if you want. Basically I've added all kind of options to adjust all kind of settings to make it as easy as possible to create the content faster. But now let's move on and let's add the aperture. And again you just have to type it in right here. In this case I've used f4, and of course you can adjust all kind of settings if you want. Next let's talk about the ISO, and to add the ISO you just need to move on to the next text field, and here you can also add it simple and fast. I've used 100, so let's type it in. But now let's move on to the focal length option. To take this image I've used my RF 24-105 f4 lens, so I will add the 58mm in the focal length box right here to add it to the EXIF data as well. The next step is to add the preset, and I've used my Dark Autumn Lightroom preset to edit the image, so let's type it in as well. By the way, all my presets are available in my shop, so if you're interested in that, definitely check them out. And last but not least, it's time to add the gear. And here we need to add the Canon EOS R and the RF 24-105 f4 to wrap up the EXIF data for our image. And yeah, exactly that's it. That's how you can add EXIF data to your images and videos in Final Cut Pro simple and fast. And yes, the last step is just to export and share it on your social media pages. A quick reminder, of course you can adjust everything. You can remove certain elements, you can reposition them, change fonts, font colors and so on. In the end there are a variety of options available to make it as easy as possible to create these kind of videos faster. Of course the plugin is linked down below, so if you're interested in that, definitely check that out. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.